In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to slice a tomato the easy way, and if your knife isn't as sharp, I'm going to show you what to use. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I share lots of simple videos like this one in hopes to help you be more confident in the kitchen so you can cook great meals at home. If that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button so you and I can cook together a couple times a week. Today we're slicing a large beefsteak tomato. This also works for heirloom tomatoes. I have a large chef's knife here handy, which is what I use to slice. If yours isn't sharp, try and see if you have a smaller serrated knife. Worst case scenario, you could also use a bread knife for that. The serrated indentations are going to help pierce the tomato skin. So I want to take a smaller knife and remove the core of my tomato. And then I want to put my tomato on its side. This first slice, you don't really need the end. You can just get rid of it. And then you're going to slice your tomato as thick or thin as you want it. If your sharp knife does not slice really well, you can always take that smaller serrated knife and cut your tomato. Worst comes to shove, you can take that bread knife and use it to serrate your tomato skin. What I feel that's most important when slicing a tomato is that you are careful.
Place your fingers all the way back.
This part right here, I like to use a smaller knife because I can control it much better, especially since it doesn't stand up well. I usually do it on its side and carefully slice it through. I know that these are not perfect rounds, but this way I don't waste the end of the tomato. Now, if this was helpful to you, give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you struggle with. I love to film more of these easy videos on my channel for you. See you next time.